see if we can fire one of these up. Let's see here. Oh, I can. I don't know if I can normally ride them up, but there's one working indicator. I guess this is the shortest tower of them all. It's only 14 floors. The others are like, 60, 40. I think Nabu even goes to 82. I should say it's the only tower with real floor counting. And, even then, it actually does have a 13. Might be the only casino in Las Vegas with a 13th floor. That's not common. Yeah, there's Augustus, I think. No, that's Octavius Tower. I think that one's Augustus. Maybe? I don't know. I'm busy getting lost. I was just in the Augustus Tower, and one of them there, I think that's the tallest one on the right. So, apparently this keeps going up. Just give it a call. See where it takes us. Signature level, probably locked. Yeah, signature floor, definitely locked. That one would make sense. Yeah, it's kind of cool this is actually open. Get a picture of this. This one, I believe, is Julius Tower.